Today we are making stir-fried rice. It's a very straightforward recipe and you can make this under 30 minutes. We're going to need 1 egg, yellow, red and green bell peppers, chopped red onions, 3 crushed garlic cloves, ginger and some vegetables. So let's get started. I'll start up with frying the egg. You can season the egg if you wish to, but today I'm not seasoning the egg. Heat up the oil 4 to 5 minutes and fry the egg. And you can see it's pretty much done. I'm going to set it aside and add it to the rice later. To my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Keep dropping your comments. If you're new here, my name is Kayi and I share quick, easy and delicious recipes. So I'm going in with the ginger, garlic, saute this for 1 to 2 minutes and then add as well the rest of the ingredients like the onions, the peppers and the vegetables. If today is your first time here and you love delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe so you can get my notifications each time I upload a new video. Now it's time to add the sauce that will give the rice this rich color, and this is the dark soy sauce I'm going to use. I added first 1 tablespoon. I'm going in now with the cooked prawns. It just makes things easier if it's already cooked. And I'm going to add some crushed chili to give the rice the extra heat I need. What I love about stir-fried rice, you always have to cook the rice like the day before, keep it in the fridge ideally, and then the next day that rice is ready, you just go in. So I'm using here 1 bowl of rice and I'm going to keep stirring everything, mix well so all the ingredients are well combined, and you can see that everything is coming beautifully together. I added another tablespoon of dark soy sauce to give this rich color to the rice and also the egg. Now stir everything well and you can see our stir-fried rice is ready, looking so colorful and very inviting. If you're enjoying the recipe, don't forget to drop a like. And there you have it. Our stir-fried rice is ready and I'm going to serve the food. Make sure you grab your fork if you love using fork or a spoon so we can enjoy this together. Thanks so much guys for sharing my videos. I truly appreciate that. If you love the recipe, don't forget to do me this big favor by sharing with family and friends so they can also enjoy the delicious recipes I'm sharing with you. And there you have it, our stir-fry rice ready, and let's dive right into it. In Togo, we say midunulu, meaning you are invited to join me right here, and I'll tell you what I think about the recipe. And as usual, it was so delicious. See you in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.